Welcome back to my channel. My name is Sonya Maya. I apologize to my viewers for not posting for a few weeks. I'm in the midst of internship applications. I did just pass my PsyD doctoral comp, so yay! But it's just a really busy month for me, so I might not be able to post every week, but I will do my very best. And I want to talk about ginger today because I've been doing a lot of research on the health benefits of ginger when it comes to sex, orgasms, libido, all of that good stuff. We all kind of know that having some kind of sexual dysfunction or erectile dysfunction or premature ejaculation for a man, or having any kind of lack of interest in sex as a woman or lack of pleasure, any kind of sexual issue can have a huge impact on self-esteem. It could also impact negatively someone's relationship satisfaction, sexual satisfaction. Ginger has been shown in many research studies that it helps with sexual function. So ginger has long been used as a natural stimulant in many forms of traditional medicine in order to increase sexual arousal and libido naturally. So ginger is good for promoting blood flow in our bodies, which might help enhance sexual arousal and libido.
Giggity, 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 ooh.
It actually can reduce your blood pressure as well, which is really good for other health reasons, of course, and that's good for sexual performance. And that doesn't even matter what gender you are. In general, it's good to have blood flowing through your body, which makes you more, aroused. And I've talked about this before on TikTok, but a lot of the time women, we wear blush and highlight, that kind of thing. So the psychological and sexual reason behind wearing blush is to make it look like blood is flowing everywhere, which to make us look horny, therefore more sexy, more, approachable and that kind of thing. And highlight is to represent higher fertility. So not only can ginger help with the blood flow, but it also helps with fertility as well. Ginger is really good for decreasing the possibility of having a blood clot. It can also decrease oxidative stress and inflammation, which is really good for fertility and sexual function. So for individuals that have a decrease in oxidative stress, they might actually be able to overcome erectile dysfunction. Ginger can also help improve semen quality by improving the concentration, motility, and viability of sperm cells.
Look at how concentrated I am.
I was reading this animal study that was done that showed that ginger can benefit female fertility by improving the process of follicogenesis. This fancy word right here that I said so perfectly. Folliculogenesis is the maturation of the ovarian follicle. Just so you know. Yeah, you learned something new today.
Wow.
Another animal study I was reading showed that high doses of ginger extract balanced hormone levels and of rats that have PCOS, which is a condition that can negatively impact fertility in women. So even though these aren't humans, but they're rats, there have been many studies in the past on animals that have actually helped us understand humans better. Other than ginger, there's also ginseng extracts that help increase testosterone. So that's something that you can look into because you can find ginseng in teas. Ginseng tea for testosterone. And maybe add some ginger to that, why not? So overall, I'm just trying to get the point across that adding ginger to your diet can help improve your sexual function. And if you don't like ginger, I've found that, I might correct me if I'm wrong, but I found that when you start having something more often and getting familiar with the flavor, you start liking it more. So you might not like ginger, maybe possibly because you just haven't had it enough. So maybe just find little ways to add it to your diet. And a lot of people commented on my TikTok video when I shared this information about ginger, asking how to consume it. But it doesn't really matter how you consume it as long as you put it in your diet. You can put it in your tea, your soup, any kind of food. You can just grate ginger on top of a stir fry. You can, put the ginger in with the garlic before you make the stir fry. There isn't a secret way to do it as long as you're ingesting ginger in general. There's no harm to adding it to your diet. You might as well give it a try. Overall, it increases your blood flow, decreases your oxidative stress, and these studies, of course, have limited research and a lot of them are on animals, but in the past we have made great use of such sources. And there's no harm in trying it as long as you're not allergic to it. And of course, there's a lot more research needed on this. So I'm going to be posting as much as I possibly can. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on bell notifications. I do hope that you will have more ginger. How about you comment below what you're going to start drinking or eating more of? For me, maybe it's Moscow mules or just ginger beer in general. Ginger snap cookies, you know, stir fries with ginger, ginger in my tea. Maybe not ginger in my coffee, that would be gross. But you get the point, you get the point. So let me know what you're going to be consuming more of with this useful information. I'm so glad that we could get to the ginger root of your problem. All right, don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on bell notifications, and I will see you next time.